Landing on the Moon in Kerbal Space Program is difficult because the surface is uneven. You are likely to tip over on landing or when getting out of the spacecraft. It is best to have a lander with wide, sturdy legs. This lander uses a TT-70 decoupler to space out the landing legs. This rocket transfers fuel out of each engine as it is used up, and the 5 swivel engines make it easy to control. In career mode, sign up for missions before you launch. Launch straight up to 10,000 meters, then slowly rotate east 45 degrees. Jettison the first 2 boosters and continue going east at a heading of 90 degrees. Turn off the rocket when you reach an altitude of 70 kilometers. As you get close to apoapsis, turn the engine back on to reach orbit. Set up a maneuver node by clicking on a spaceship. Set the Moon as target. Use the time and prograde controls to set up an encounter with the Moon. The Moon will appear when you have an encounter. Thrust retrograde here to orbit the Moon. Continue using reverse thrust to lower your orbit. Set up a maneuver node that reaches the surface past where you want to land. Jettison the rocket and set up the view as shown here. When you reach 4,000 to 6,000 kilometers, thrust retrograde to slow down. Continue until you have eliminated all of the horizontal speed. For every 100 kilometers you descend, reduce your rate by 1 meter per second. Land at less than 5 meters per second. After landing, collect science on the Moon. Go up, then horizontal for the trip back to Kerbin. Thrust prograde to orbit the Moon. Create a maneuver node to return to Kerbin.